Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is Aisha from Tamale, and I'm here to share with you how I prepared my evening meal today. This is a cherished meal in Ghana. It is easy to make and it is loved by almost 80 to 90% of Ghanaians. So right now I'm just starting by setting fire in my two coal pots because I'm going to use them to speed up my cooking process. If you are new here, you are most welcome, and to my old followers or subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos. So after setting my fire, I just place my cooking pan with water and I'm trying to clean my beans so that I'll get rid of unwanted substances and also dirt. After washing it for the first time, I'll be repeating it again so that it will be completely clean for me to cook it. The way they store beans, some of them use chemicals to store it, so you have to be careful when cooking it. You have to clean it well. So I've placed this other pan too. That is what I'm going to use to fry my plantain, and I'm just adding some oil. So here I have my plantains and I'm just going to peel it and cut them into medium sizes so that I'll be able to fry them well. If you are from Ghana, I know you will love this dish because in our senior high schools we used to enjoy this with our black sauce, that is shito. But some of the girls, they used not to go to the dining hall for this gari and beans. But when you go to the dining hall to pick it and you bring it to the dormitories, those people who refuse to go for it will join you to eat it. Meaning they were just disturbing you like that. So after cutting my plantain, I just added some salt and water and I'm going to rinse it before I fry it. We have it at popular joints, food joints in Tamale here, gari and beans with plantain. And in fact, especially Saturdays, people love to just have a feel of this food. So I'm just pouring it into the oil and I'll wait for it to fry to golden brown. My beans too is still cooking. I have my lettuce here and I'm going to wash it nicely with salt. So in consumption of food, you have to make sure that your food is properly cleaned before you consume it. And if you are also selling food, you have to always try to clean it well, especially the vegetables that you use to cook it. So you can see what I just had. I'm going to clean it for the second time so that I'll be sure that my lettuce is clean. So the plantain too has fried to this golden brown, and I'll just remove it and then fry the rest of the plantain. So that is how we fry it. You can also use palm oil to fry your plantain, but today I'm using this peanut oil to fry. So now I'm adding some salt and stock cube to my beans, and I'm adding some palm oil to make it look nice and also it will make it tasty. So right now I'll let it cook for 5 minutes again, then I'll put it down. So I'm dicing my lettuce, and I'll do that for the onions and the tomatoes. Back at senior high school, we used not to get these toppings to dress our gari and beans. We just go to the dining to pick the beans sauce with gari, and then you can come to the dormitory to add your shito, or you carry your shito to the dining hall so that after they serve, then you can just pour your shito on top, mix it together, and then you enjoy your food. So I'm done now. My plantains are all fried, and I'll just carry everything back into my kitchen to serve my wonderful family. So I'm going to serve the beans with gari and the lettuce, tomatoes and onions. Gari is made out of cassava. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.